When it comes to modern carp and feeder fishing, bite alarm sets have become an essential part of the angler's toolkit. These compact electronic devices take the guesswork out of strike detection, allowing fishermen to react instantly even in low-light conditions or during long overnight sessions. In 2025, Chinese manufacturers continue to dominate this niche with surprisingly advanced kits that combine wireless connectivity, multi-tone alerts, waterproof housings, and long-lasting batteries, all at prices far below their European counterparts. The latest sets are not just budget alternatives, many now offer premium features such as adjustable sensitivity, night lights, and extended receiver range, making them reliable companions for both beginners and experienced anglers. This ranking highlights the most noteworthy Chinese bite alarm kits of 2025, with a focus on build quality, functionality, and overall value for money.
At number 5, we've got the Lixada Fishing Bite Indicators Kit, one of the most balanced budget sets coming from China in 2025. What makes it stand out is its flexibility. Each alarm comes with adjustable tone, volume, and sensitivity, so you can fine-tune it depending on conditions or target fish. The LED alerts, paired with a loudspeaker, give you both visual and audio feedback, which is crucial during night sessions or in poor visibility. The build is surprisingly solid for its price. The alarms mount on telescopic aluminum bank sticks that extend from 34 to 56 centimeters, making setup stable and quick on different types of terrain. Lixada also thought about practicality. The whole kit comes in a padded carry bag, and in the extended version, you even get swing indicators for extra precision. Powered by standard 9-volt batteries, these alarms are easy to maintain and dependable for both short trips and longer sessions. It's not a high-end carp set with wireless receivers, but for just around $57, it's an entry-level solution that covers all the basics while adding some premium touches like adjustable sensitivity and night-ready LEDs. That's why Lixada remains one of the most popular budget-friendly choices among anglers worldwide in 2025.
Moving up the list, the 4th spot belongs to the YIWENG Wireless Fishing Bite Alarm Kit, which represents a step into more advanced territory compared to entry-level sets. The key feature here is the wireless receiver system. With a working range of over 100 meters, you can confidently leave your rods on the bank while resting in a bivvy or even stepping away for a short break. The combination of loud audio alerts and bright LED indicators ensures you'll never miss a strike, even in poor weather or complete darkness. Each transmitter runs on a 9-volt battery and uses a stable 433 MHz signal, providing reliable performance with minimal power consumption. Sensitivity is tuned well. Even small movements are picked up, but the system avoids false alarms caused by wind or surface disturbance. The alarms come neatly packed in a zippered carry case, keeping the receiver and 3 transmitters safe and organized during transport. With a total weight of about 735 grams, it's still portable enough for longer sessions. Priced just above $80, the YIWENG kit offers a great balance of features: wireless freedom, solid build, and dependable performance across temperatures from -30 to +70 degrees C. For anglers who want a more professional setup without breaking the bank, this model has become one of the go-to options in 2025.
In 3rd place, we have the NP Fishing Bite Indicators Kit, a set that blends practicality with a touch of wireless convenience. Each alarm is equipped with adjustable tone, volume, and sensitivity, allowing anglers to fine-tune the setup for different waters and species. The alarms are mounted on telescopic aluminum bank sticks ranging from 30 to 50 centimeters, giving enough flexibility for different bankside conditions. These sticks are well built, with tapered points ensuring stable placement even on harder ground. To make the kit more travel-friendly, NP includes a padded, waterproof tool bag, a detail that protects your gear from rain and keeps everything organized during transport. While it doesn't have the long-range wireless receiver of more expensive kits, NP strikes a good middle ground. You still get reliable alerts, solid construction, and a well-thought-out package for around the mid-price tier. For anglers who want something more advanced than a basic kit, but not as costly as a professional wireless setup, this model stands out as one of the most balanced choices in 2025.
Taking the runner-up spot is the LSOSVSEU Fishing Bite Alarm Set, a kit that proves you don't always need to spend big to get reliable performance. Priced under $40, it delivers many of the features anglers usually expect from mid-range models.
Each alarm offers adjustable tone, volume, and sensitivity with clear LED and audio alerts that make strike detection easy even on quiet nights by the water. The alarms are paired with extendable aluminum bank sticks, adjustable from 30 to 50 centimeters, ensuring solid placement on different terrains. What really sets this kit apart, however, is the inclusion of LED swears. These indicators not only stabilize your line, but also flash in sync with the alarms, giving you both visual and mechanical confirmation of a bite, a detail often missing in cheaper sets. At just over 300 grams in total, it's lightweight, portable, and comes with a waterproof double-layered tool bag to keep everything organized and dry. For anglers targeting species like carp or catfish, the LSOSVSEU kit strikes a rare balance of affordability, sensitivity, and thoughtful extras. That combination is exactly why it secures second place in our 2025 ranking.
Topping our list in 2025 is the Tihebeyan Wireless Fishing Alarm Kit, a set that delivers near-professional performance while staying firmly in the affordable category. Unlike simpler LED-only models, this system comes with 4 transmitters and a central receiver, allowing anglers to monitor multiple rods at once from a distance. Each bite alarm uses a sensitive central axle roller to detect even the lightest line movement, instantly triggering both an audible beep and a flashing LED on the receiver. Different LED colors help you distinguish which rod has been activated, a feature usually reserved for premium European brands. What makes the Tihebeyan set impressive is the attention to build quality. The alarms are built with KB-PCB double-sided circuit boards for durability and precision, while the ABS plastic housing ensures strong impact resistance and long service life. The receiver runs on standard AAA batteries, while each transmitter uses a compact 12V LR23A cell, keeping the system lightweight and efficient. For carp anglers who want a dependable, fully wireless kit that rivals far more expensive competitors, this model is a standout. It offers the reliability, sensitivity, and practicality that serious night fishermen demand, all at a price that makes it one of the smartest investments in 2025.
Chinese bite alarm kits in 2025 prove that you don't have to pay a fortune to get reliable gear for carp or feeder fishing. From entry-level sets like Lixada to wireless mid-range solutions from YIWENG and NP, up to the more complete packages by LSOSVSEU and Tihebeyan, anglers now have access to professional-grade functionality at a fraction of the European price. Whether you're targeting trophy carp at night or simply want peace of mind during a long session, these kits combine sensitivity, durability, and smart design in a way that makes fishing both easier and more enjoyable. Which of these bite alarm sets would you trust on your next trip?